Hello friends, today we'll discuss about the somatic treatments in psychiatry. These are important image-based questions that are being asked in the recent exams. So what are somatic treatments? That is, majorly we give drugs, injectables, depot. These are the pharmacological management. Somatic treatments are some kind of electric magnetic stimulations that are used for treatment purpose. So there are various somatic therapies here. First we will discuss about the RTMS. What is RTMS? RTMS is your repeated trans repetitive transmagnetic stimulation. So as the name itself is telling magnetic. So here what we have magnetic stimulation. So these are the various questions for image based would come, or they would give you a circular coil like this which is given. This is known as 8 coil. 8 shaped coil or double ring coil that is there, and with this repeated stimulation is given. There is a repeated stimulation that is given to a particular specific areas depending upon the treatment of the disorder. So repeated this magnetic stimulation is being given at here. This would locally produce currents inside the kind of eddy currents inside the coil and produce a magnetic field, which in turn ionizes and changes the electrons and the blood flow in the brain, and there it causes some chemical electrical stimulations inside the brain. So magnetic stimulation, it is used to produce some neurophysiological changes here inside our brain. So because of the change in the size and the shape of the coil, different depths of the brain parts can be reached depending upon the stimulation. Like we need peripheral stimulation or deep basal ganglia related area stimulation. So depending on the area need to be stimulated, different kinds of coils are there. So this is H coil, 8 coil we have already seen here. This is another example of 8 coil used in depressive disorder. Other in OCD, H coil is being used. So they can give either the shape of the coil, or they can simply show the procedure to, and then ask you to identify which kind of therapy or somatic treatment is being given. So where all in what condition is RTMS approved? RTMS is approved in your treatment resistant OCDs, treatment resistant depression, and even the cases of schizophrenia where auditory hallucination are markedly present despite giving the treatment. So this is the RTMS. Another somatic treatment is your ECT, which was like one of the initial or the pioneer most somatic therapy to say. So this is a visualization picture given where we have an electroconvulsive therapy machine is there. These are the voltage fixing devices, and from here the current ejection is there. Wire is connected and there is a headband. So in the head of a person, so when we talk about, say if this is the face of the person, so where can the leads be placed? So it can be placed bilaterally or unilaterally. So either, and that too one bilaterally in the frontal area, bilaterally in the temporal area. So bifrontal, they can be bifrontal leads that can be used bifrontal, or they can be placed in your temporal. So this would be bitemporal, or you can place unilateral leads. Unilateral leads in form of one sided only. Unilateral leads, frontal or temporal region, you will place it unilateral. So depending upon the numbers and area of the lead that is placed, the type of ECT has been defined. So what happens here is the waves, electric waves stimulation is being given. So it can be brief pulse kind of waves can be given, that this is one pulse of current that is going, then another pulse of current is going. So this is one, it is a one brief pulse. Another, like if we rather than a pulse, we give it in a sine form of wave. Like this is sinusoidal pattern. If a current stimulation is given, this is a sine wave stimulation, which was given earlier initially. Later on, it was then cutted and even